Crystal's here, and we are at Galaxy's Edge in Disneyland to ride Rise of the Resistance.
Today, we're going to cover how you can get yourself a boarding pass and get yourself on the ride.
Virtual queue will be used for the all-new Star Wars Rise of the Resistance attraction. Beginning at 8 o'clock this morning, guests may join the queue through the Disneyland app.
Before you even get to Disneyland, download the Disneyland app. That will let you add in your pass, add in the passes of everybody in your party, and actually get the boarding pass when time comes up. Make sure it's updated, and make sure that the people in the app are the people in your party.
Like me.
In order to have a best chance at getting your boarding pass, you want to be at the park well before it opens, because you need to be through the Disneyland turnstiles. Your ticket has to be scanned for you to get a boarding pass. So if people in your party aren't with you, they can't come. It's only you.
California Adventure doesn't count, and we've heard rumors on Reddit that the monorail doesn't count.
We recommend being to the turnstiles an hour before the park opens, because occasionally they will let you into the park early. After you scan into Disneyland Park, you can actually just leave. You don't have to stay in Disneyland. So you can go to Downtown Disney, California Adventure, you can go home.
Or anywhere that has better reception than where a crowd of people is.
No matter where you are, once Disneyland opens, make sure you have your app open and be ready to click join a boarding group. Physical boarding passes are also available for Rise of the Resistance. Over in Critter Country near Splash Mountain, or in Tomorrowland near Buzz Lightyear, you can walk up to a physical kiosk and scan your Disneyland pass in order to get a physical boarding pass.
Here's a little pro tip for you. The boarding group thing for Rise of Resistance is different than Fast Pass. So you can actually, when you get to the park early, get yourself in a Fast Pass for anything you want to do. But it does not stop you and does not impact your ability to get a Rise of Resistance boarding group and go on that whenever it's available to you.
Just because you have a boarding pass does not mean you are guaranteed to ride Rise of the Resistance. Based on any first order activity that may occur, your boarding group might not get to ride that day. Be sure to pay special attention to your app where it says which boarding groups are intended to be standby.
Unlike regular Fast Passes, where you have a time to know when to go back on a ride, a sign like Rise of Resistance, they show when the boarding groups are here for you to return. You'll want to check the boarding group and see when it's your time to return. For example, it's our time to return.
Once it is your turn, you have 2 hours to show up and get scanned in to be able to ride the ride.
Okay, next recruit. And the next one. You're all set, recruits. Thanks for joining the cause. Right down that way.
And that's how you finally get on Rise of the Resistance.